So I decided to modify an extra speaker set for use with this Lexin communicator, helmet communicator, because in summertime it's very difficult to mount speakers for an ATV helmet unless you have a full face helmet, which is way too hot for most of the time I'm using it. Fall, etc. It's really nice to have a communicator when you're out with a group of guys. Anyway, what I did was I took the extra helmet, extra mic and speaker set, and I cut the speakers off. And what I did was I then stripped the wires, of course, and I used this adapter. This is a stereo jack, 1/8 stereo jack adapter to screw terminals. Made it really easy. So I just tied the grounds together, left and right channel. I then coated it, as you can see there, with liquid tape just to waterproof it. Wrapped it with 1/2 of Velcro. The other half of the Velcro is on the helmet. So the jack is now just plugs in there, and you can use absolutely any set of earbuds that you want with that communicator. And I use the ones with the ear clips, obviously, so they stay put. And all you have to do is either unplug the jack or take the earbuds out when you pull the helmet off, and it works absolutely perfect. It's phenomenal. So just a way to be able to use it with a helmet that you can't mount speakers.